Hi guys, I am going to show you how to get onto your Think Central. Now the first thing you have to do is you have to log on to your single sign-on. So if you're not sure how to do that, there's another slide that shows you exactly how to get on. So once you do that and you get signed on, you're going to be brought to a page that looks like this. We want to go over to this Think Central student link, and you're going to click on that. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. It has things to do, my library, and my scores. We want to click on my library. So once you do that, you're going to have a page that pops up like this. We have the virtual manipulatives, math and focus student edition, and math and focus workbook. And you're going to be using all three of these. So let's look at them. So this virtual manipulatives, once you click on it, it says click to enable Adobe Flash Player. So we want to do that, and then we're going to come up here and click allow. Now this is just a link that gives you some manipulatives to use while you're doing your math. So it comes up with a bunch of different things to use. I'm going to click on the base 10 blocks because that's the first one we're going to be using. And it's exactly what it says. There's base 10 blocks here. So we've got our ones, and you can add them here, and it tells you how many you've got. You can add some tens, and it changes the number. Okay, and then if you need to clear it, you just come over here and push this broom, and it'll help you to start all over. And maybe you accidentally did one too many, you can just erase it, add a couple more. Oops, one too many. Go ahead and erase it, okay? So that should help you with your math if you need to use those manipulatives. And the next thing is the Math and Focus Student Edition. Now this is just a textbook that has examples in it. So again, we're going to have to enable the Adobe Flash Player. We're going to click allow again. And this is going to pop up. Now we are on volume 2 already. So you just need to click on that. And then this just goes through the pages. So we are on chapter 11. So this is chapter 10. We are on 13. Okay, so here it is, addition and subtraction to 40. Say we want to look at the subtraction without regrouping page. We're just going to click on that, and it takes you exactly to the page we want and shows you exactly what you want to do. If you know what page you want to go to, say you want to go to page 72, you're just going to come down here, you're going to type in 72 on your keyboard, and you're going to push enter. And it'll take you right to that page. So if you know the page number, you can just type it right in. Okay, and then the last thing is the Math and Focus workbook. Now this is like your math binders you use in school. So it's going to come up to a page like this. Again, we're in volume 2. Here's all the chapters. So we're just going to look at chapter 13 because that's the chapter we've been working in. And then it comes up with all the pages. So the page numbers are actually at the bottom of the page here. And this one you're going to have to scroll through. So say I want to go to page 72 again. I'm just going to scroll down till I get to page 72 right there. Okay. And it brings me right to this page. Now these are not interactive. You can't type anything on these, but you can print them, or you can just write the questions down on a piece of paper and do it that way. Okay, I hope this helps. Thanks for listening.